everyone, welcome back to Fame World Educational Hub. I hope you are a subscriber of this channel. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe Fame World Educational Hub. This is a series of algorithms. Here I used to discuss various algorithms present in different subjects like data structure, design and analysis of algorithm, and even artificial intelligence. So the algorithms covered in these three subjects are discussed in this series. So please stay tuned, subscribe Fameword Educational Hub and press the notification bell so you will get each and every notification of this channel whenever I upload any video. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss Best First Search. It is also abbreviated as BFS. I have already discussed breadth first search and depth first search traversals in this series, and this is the third video lecture of this series. I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them yet, then please watch them and come back to this one. Then it would be easier for you to understand this. So now let's start the best first search. The disadvantages of depth first search and breadth first search are removed and overcome here in the best first search algorithm. So this is basically a numerical question of this algo. We will discuss the algo or the procedure in some other video. Here I am going to illustrate an example. This example or similar to this one used to come in different examination papers consisting of 5 to 7 marks. So it is very easy and very important when we talk about the examination. So it is very important for the examination purpose. So now let's start. We are having tree here. This is a tree. See, this is node S. C B A H G F E D J I M L K, and as it is a searching algorithm, so we have to search some node or the vertex. These are called the vertices or the nodes. So here the goal state or the goal node is I. I is the goal state. That is, we have to reach to I. We have to reach to I using the best first search algorithm. So I just want to tell a special case that in the case of best first search, we use heuristic values. Heuristic values are used here, and the red marked numbers, the numbers which are here in the red color, these are the heuristic values of these vertices. So heuristic value, what is heuristic value, what is heuristic function, this will be discussed in some other video in the series of algorithm or in the series of artificial intelligence, as heuristic function or heuristic value is a terminology of artificial intelligence. But here but here I am going to illustrate this numerical. So 5, 6, 3, these all red color marked values are the heuristic values. We can say heuristic means assumption, hit and try values. So the heuristic values are mentioned here, and we have to use this value to solve this algo. And now the thing is that we have to choose the ascending order. Don't get confused. Don't think that what I'm saying or what is this going on. Just concentrate, as here we have taken two lists, open and closed. We have taken two lists, and now you can see that both the lists are empty in the beginning. In the first step, both the lists open and closed are empty. Now as we can see, S is the starting node, so it has been stated S here. So S, or it could be any other alphabet, it doesn't matter, it is alphabet or number, but here S is the starting node. So first of all, we put the starting node in the open list. Now see, whichever element we have traversed will be transferred to the closed list, and children or the adjacent vertices of particular node will be written in the open list. So here we have selected S. S is in the open. Now in the next step, we have already traversed S, and the children of S are C, B and A. and the heuristic value of C, B and A are 3, 5 and 6 in the ascending order. As I told you, we have to follow the ascending order in the case of heuristic values. So now the children will be written in the ascending order in the open list. So S has been now transferred to closed list, that is here, and now the children of S are written here. A3 in the ascending order. Ascending means from the smaller to the bigger value. So A3, C5 and B6. A3, C5 and B6. These are the children of S. S has been transferred to the closed list, and in the open list, the elements which are open, which we are going to traverse, which have not been traversed yet exactly, so are written here A3, C5 and B6. Now as we can see that A3 is here, and now we have to traverse A3. So the children of A3 are E8 and T9. So A3 will be transferred to the closed list after S, as the value of A is greater than S. S was having 0 value, so it has not been written there. So after S, the next step, then the fourth step, after S we used to write A3. Okay, now the children of A were E and D, and the value of E and D are E8, D9. So after C5, B6, E8, D9, as it has to follow the ascending order, so the ascending order has been followed here. Now C5, the children of C5 is only H, and the heuristic value of C5 is the heuristic value of H is 7. The heuristic value of H is 7, and 7 is greater than 6. So when we will transfer this C to the closed list, then we will write the children or the single child of C, that is H, in this open list. B6, H7, E9, D9. I hope the things are clear. If they're in confusion, then I'll clear it out. So now we are having this B6 as the first element of the open list. Now as it is the first element of the open list, then we have to traverse this one, and we can see that the children of B are G and F, and the heuristic value of G is 14 and 12 of F. So here, as we have transferred B6 to the closed list, and the children are having 12 and 14 value, so here we will write H7, E8, D9, and after that 12 and 14 will come. I hope it is clear to you. I hope you are getting the points what are described here. Now in the next step, as we are having H7 and the children of H is 6, the 6 and I are the two children of H, J6 and I5. 6 and 5 are the heuristic values. So here, as H is transferred in the closed list, now J6 and I5 is the lesser value, so I5, then J6, then E8. We just have to copy this whole list here and add the elements in the ascending order to the new list, as we have done here. I5, J6, E8, D9, F12 and G14. And now as you can clearly see that the children of H were J and I. H should be transferred to the closed list, and it has been transferred, and the elements which are children of H are written here. Now as we know it clearly that the goal state, the state or the vertex or node which we have to reach was I, and we have already reached I. So remember clearly that the element which has to be reached, or the goal state, the vertex of the goal state, should always be in the closed list, because at the end we have to consider the closed list in this search. So now as soon as we traverse I5, and we can see that the children of I5 are I, R, M, L and K, but as this is the goal node, so we don't have to traverse further, we don't have to go downwards now, as we have already reached the goal state. So we will not write these elements in the open list. We just have to transfer the I5 element in the closed list and write the remaining elements here. We don't have to write the children of I now, as we have already traversed the goal state. So the new list, or the list of the traversal using best first search to the goal state I, is this SACBHI. These heuristic values were written here with the elements or the vertex because of the following the ascending order. We have to follow the ascending order, and it is now easier using these numbers here. So but in the end, we don't have to write the numbers, we just have to write the elements. And this is the S was the starting element, I is the goal state, and this is the list. I hope best first search is clear to you. You are not having any confusion in this. If there is any confusion, any query, then please drop your query in the comment box. I will work on it, and I hope I would be able to solve your problem. I hope this video and the best first search is clear to you. If there is any problem, then please ask the question in the comment box. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell so you will get the latest uploads notifications. There are various series available on this channel, FameWord Educational Hub, and I hope you have watched those series, you have gone through those courses. If you haven't watched them, then please go and watch. Go through the courses available on FameWord Educational Hub, and please subscribe, press the notification bell, stay tuned. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe FameWord Educational Hub.